How to retrofit Tesla Model 3 steering wheel to sport mode. First, let's loosen the screws at the bottom of the steering wheel. Then open the airbag cover. Unplug the red plug inside. Screw out the fixed nut inside with a wrench. Remove the inner bracket and remember to unplug the small plug. Then loosen the screws and remove the key panel of the small bracket and steering wheel. Then plug the panel wire to our new product. Use screws to reposition and install the original bracket inside and connect the plug. Alright, we will install the new steering wheel in the original position. Then fix it again. Connect the airbag panel and attach it to the steering wheel. Let's take a look at the modified effect.